Hello and welcome to Abby Varieties TV. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the best, very tasty, crispy and spicy fried chicken. So let's get started. We'll be making use of drumsticks and then we need to clean our drumsticks. So then we'll be seasoning our drumstick with some ginger powder, chili powder, some curry powder, dried thyme, bouillon powder or any Maggi of choice, some garlic powder, and you can add salt if needed. I won't be adding salt because my bouillon powder is quite salty. So we'll massage this chicken very well and marinate it so the seasoning can infuse well into it. Then we keep this in the freezer for 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes and our chicken is out of the freezer. Now we need to coat our chicken and fry them. We'll be using some corn flour, and some breadcrumbs, and of course we'll be using 2 eggs to coat our chicken. We'll also be using some chili powder because we need our chicken to be spicy. So we'll be adding the chili powder inside our breadcrumbs and mixing that together. So we need to break our eggs. We'll break our 2 eggs. And then we whisk our egg with a fork. So now we'll pick one of the chicken, one of the drumstick, and then we'll dip it right into the corn flour. We'll mix it well in the corn flour. Then inside the egg wash or inside the egg, we give that a nice mix. And finally inside the breadcrumbs. If you don't have breadcrumbs, you can use cornflakes. You will just have to crush the cornflakes into crumbs and that will work fine as well. So you shake the excess crumbs and then you place that in a separate plate. And then you repeat the same process, till you finish coating your chicken. And in case you don't have corn flour, you can use plain flour, plain baking flour. So the step is that you coat your chicken first in the corn flour or plain flour, and then you put it right in your egg, and then lastly you're gonna coat it with your breadcrumbs or cornflakes depending on what you have available. You repeat the process till you finish coating all your chicken. So while we are coating our chicken, we'll have some oil already heating up on fire. Now that our oil is hot, we are ready to fry our chicken. So you carefully drop your chicken right into the oil, like so. And you could also use a deep fryer for frying your chicken. So we need to flip our chicken over so every part can fry very well and cook well. By the way, this is soft chicken, and soft chicken usually cook faster than hard chicken. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. You're very welcome. Please consider subscribing and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my video. And please try and check out my other videos. And to you, my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys. You guys are wonderful. Thank you for the love, for the support, for the encouragement. Thank you so much. God bless you. Now our chicken is well fried and golden in color, and it looks very crispy. You can see that, very crispy as well. So we're gonna take that out of the oil, and then we'll fry the next batches as well. Look at that, guys. It's so crispy. Then we fry the other batch as well. And here comes the best, super tasty, crispy and spicy chicken. It's so yummy, guys. Try this recipe and I would like to see your comments down below. It's so nice, I must confess. It tastes even much more than the ones you buy at the eatery. You can eat your chicken with some chips, just like I did. And I flushed mine down with some Coke. Or you may choose to eat it plainly like that, or with some rice, because I later had the remaining chicken with some jollof and fried rice. Now let's have a taste and see what our chicken looks like on the inside. It's so yummy, I must confess, and very crispy. You can see that it's well cooked. It's so juicy on the inside and crispy outside. And it's a little spicy as well, just like I wanted it. So if you don't want yours to be spicy, just leave out the chili powder. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.